Good morning. Exercise 5.3, question number 3, number 1. In AP, given A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 50, find N and Sn. A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 50. We are using here formula An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Putting the value An is equals to 50, A is equals to 5 and D is equals to 3. Then find N. 50 is equals to 5 plus 3n minus n minus 1 into 3. Here 50 is equals to 5 plus 3n minus 3, 5 minus 3, therefore 50 is equals to 3n plus 2. 50 minus 2 plus 2 go on opposite side, therefore 50 minus 2 is equals to 3n, 48 is equals to 3n, n is equals to 16. Now our last question, last n is equals to last step, n is equals to 16. We find here n is equals to 16. Now find Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Here n is equals to 16, a is equals to 5 and l is equals to an. Here l is equals to an. Therefore an is equals to 50. Put all values. 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50, 8 into 55. Sn, that means S16 is equals to 440. You using this formula instead of Sn is equals to n by 2 al plus, then here Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d and put all values here. N is equals to 16, a is equals to 5, d is equals to 3. Here S16 is equals to, now I put here 16 by 2, therefore 8, 2a is equals to 5, 2 5s are 10 plus 16 minus 1, 15 into 3 is equals to 8 into 10 plus 15 3s are 45 is equals to 8 into 55. 8 into 55 is equals to 440. Therefore, our both answer are same. Sn is equals to n by 2a plus l and Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Both answer, in both formula our answer is same. Here question number 3, number 1 is completed here. Now number 2nd. Question 3, number 2nd. In an AP, given A is equals to 7, A13 is equals to 35, find D and S13. Here A is equals to 7, A13 is equals to 35. An, using formula An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now n is equals to 13, A13 is equals to 7 plus 13 minus 1 into D. A13 value, put the value, A13 is equals to 35 is equals to 7 plus 12D. 35 minus 7 is equals to 12D. 28 is equals to 12D. Therefore, D is equals to 7 by 3. How 7 by 3? Here 28 divided by 12 is equals to D. 7 4s are 28, 3 4s are 12. Then 4 4 cut. Our answer is 7 by 3. Therefore, D is equals to 7 by 3. Now find S13. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Therefore, S13 is equals to 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35. 7 plus 35 is equals to 42. 13 by 2 into 42. Here 13 by 2 into 42. Therefore 2 21s are 7. 13 into 21 is equals to 273. Here D is equals to 7 by 3 and S13 is equals to 273. Again this question, A is equals to 7, A13 is equals to 35. First we using here An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then find D. D is equals to 7 by 3. Then using Sn. Sn is equals to S13. S13 is equals to 13 by 2 into A plus L. A is equals to 7 plus L is equals to An. An is equals to 35. Therefore 13 into 21. S13 is equals to 273. Therefore D is equals to 7 by 3 and S13 is equals to 273. Number 3. In an AP given A12 is equals to 37, D is equals to 3, find A and S12. Here A12 is equals to 37 is equals to L last term and D is equals to 3, N is equals to 12, A12, therefore N is equals to 12. Find A. First we find Sn. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A12 is equals to A plus 12 minus 1. 11 into 3. 11 3s are 33. 37 minus 33 is equals to A. A is equals to 4. Now find Sn. S12 is equals to n by 2 A plus L. Here we have given S12 is equals to 12 by 2 into 4 plus 37. S12 is equals to 12 by 2, therefore 6 into 41 is equals to 246. A is equals to 4 and S12 is equals to 246. Now number 4. In AP given A3 is equals to 15, S10 is equals to 125, find D and A10. Here A3 is equals to 15, S10 is equals to 125, A10 and D. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A3 is equals to A plus 2D. Therefore 15 is equals to A plus 2D. Equation number 1. Now using here Sn formula, n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here put the value S10 is equals to 10 by 2 2A as it is plus n minus 1, therefore 9D. 10 by 2 2A plus 9D is equal to 125 upon 5 is equals to 2A plus 9D. 25 is equals to 2A plus 9D. Equation number 1. Both equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here equation number 1 and 2 both are Solve by elimination method equation 1 by 2 multiply by 2 and then subtract equation 2 from it. Therefore, now multiply equation 1 by 2 and then subtract equation 2 from it, and we get d is equals to minus 1. Subtracting d is equals substituting putting d is equals to minus 1 in equation 1 or 2, we get a is equals to 17. In this question, in this put d in value of d in equation 1. Therefore, a is equals to 17. Now, what is we find? We find here a and a10. a10 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equals to 17 plus 10 minus 1, 9, and difference. We get difference is equals to minus 1 here. Here difference is equals to minus 1. A is equals to 17 and put value an in formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Again this question and get a10 is equals to 8. Find d and a10. We find here d is equals to minus 1, but first we taking Sn and get two equations. Solve this equation by using a3 and S10. Using getting two equation and using elimination method and find a and d. When we find a and v, then using this formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we get here a30 is equals to 8. a30 is equals to 8. Now, question number 3, number 5. In an AP, if D is equals to 5, S9 is equals to 75 is given. Then find A and A9. Here D is equals to 5. S9 is equals to 75. Find A. S9 is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 75 is equals to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 into 5. 75 is equals to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 40. 75 is equals to 9 into a plus 20. How we get a plus 20? Here in this question, it's take common. 75 is equals to 9 by 2. In this bracket 2 is common. In bracket a plus 20, then 2 cut, a plus 20, 7 into 9 into a plus 20. 75 is equals to 9a plus 180. 75 is equals to 9a plus 180. 75 minus 180 is equals to minus 105. Divide by 9. How we get minus 105 divide by 9? Minus 105 divide by 9. Here we use 35 threes are 3 threes are. Then for answer is minus 35 by 3. A is equals to minus 35 by 3. Now A9. A9, find A9. an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting here n is equals to 9. A9 is equals to minus 35 by 3. We get here a is equals to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 into d. Difference is equals to 5. 9 minus 1, 8 into 5 minus 35 by 3 plus 40 by 1. Taking LCM, 3 ones are 3 minus 35 plus 43 is 120. 1 minus 35 plus 120 is equals to 85 upon 3. Then answer is a is equals to minus 35 by 3 and a9 is equals to 85 by 3. First we find here S using Sn formula and find a, then find a3, a9. A9 using an formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we get an is equals to a9 is equals to